guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and welcome to another video of Divalog series. I'm just loving this Divalog. So today I'm back with another video. Also, I'm gonna remind you guys about the giveaway. So if you haven't participated, check the day one and participate in it. Rules are pretty simple. It will be given in the description box below. So coming back to today's video, it's gonna be very useful for all of us. Whatever age group you belong to, this video is going to help you out. So keeping in mind the current situation, you know that 90% of the work is being done online, and that's really comfortable. Like, I love online things, but at the same time it brings a lot of problems, especially our eyes go through a lot during this period. Talking about me, I have approximately 8 to 9 hours of classes, and then we have other assignments and things to be submitted. Talking about everyone who's working from home, I guess they'll be having the same hours on the screen, like almost 12 to 13 hours a screen if we take an average. So that is really harmful for our eyes. It brings a lot of problems, especially there's puffiness around your eyes when you wake up because your eyes don't get adequate amount of rest. And in the long run, this is going to create a lot of harmful effects on the eye area. So I have come up with a very simple and short DIY which could help you out with. So if you're someone who wants to remove the puffiness around your eyes, or in general you just want to soothe your eyes for some time, this DIY is just perfect for you. Also, it's really simple. You don't need to go anywhere, you don't need to buy anything. Everything will be easily available, and at the same time it has lot of benefits. The ingredients which I have included in this DIY are the most basic ingredients you will ever find. Also, it would cost you hardly around 10-20 rupees, and also the benefits are so much. Like, if you have fine lines or wrinkles, it's gonna help out with that. Also, if you're someone who has pigmentation around your eye area, it's going to help you with that also. And in general, if you just want to relax for some time with something soothing your eyes, then this is the perfect DIY. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's just begin with the DIY.
For this DIY, first of all, you need to take a glass bowl and add water. So here I have taken almost half a cup of water. Then add green tea into it and soak it for 3 to 4 hours. After that is done, just strain the water and remove the green tea particles. So this is the color of the water that you'll get. After that, add aloe vera gel. You can use any. I've used the most common one. So make the proportion of aloe vera gel in such a way that the consistency is a bit thicker in a gel form. So as you can see here, I'm mixing it, and as you can see, after some time the gel will mix with the water and the consistency will be thicker. After that, you need to add vitamin E capsules. This you'll get easily in any medical stores. It's very easily available. So cut it and add the oil and mix it once again. So that is how we prepare the mixture. After that, here I have taken cotton pads. You can use normal cotton also. So here I have cut the cotton pads and I have soaked it into the gel that we prepared. So similarly, you can just cut the round pads and soak it in. So our eye patches are ready, and you can also store this one. You can also use fresh aloe vera, but if you're using fresh aloe vera, you cannot store it. So that's why I have used aloe vera gel here. I'm just storing it in container, and our eye patches are ready. Very affordable and very easy to make. So as you can see, I have stored them. And you can also use this gel as under eye serum. So that is also another DIY.
So the DIY is ready. I have this box right here. So I'm gonna tell you few of the benefits here and there about why this is so useful. It has aloe vera, which is like the most good ingredient you can have for your skin. Also, it's natural, so you can also use the natural aloe veras which are available. So yeah, but if you're using natural aloe vera, make sure you don't preserve this gel, because it doesn't have preservatives in it, so it won't stay for a longer time. So make it fresh whenever you want it. Another thing that I have added in is vitamin E. It is like the most suitable oil you can have for your skin. It is very essential, makes your skin really nourished and moisturized. And also, if you're someone with dry skin, thumbs up for vitamin E. The main ingredient which I have added in this DIY is green tea, and green tea is so much good for your skin. It helps in pore refinement, pore tightening, and also it helps in removing the dark spots and brightens your under eye area and your skin. So it's the best ingredient. Also it's very natural, so you can definitely get that very easily. Also, I have done this DIY keeping in mind that it doesn't take too much of time. It will hardly take 3 to 4 minutes. So go give it a try. And also you can just cool it for some 15-20 minutes so that it will be more soothing and relaxing. So yeah. So this is how it actually looks like. It's completely drenched in the gel that we have prepared. So I have applied both the patches. Now you need to keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then you can just take it off. Feels so refreshing. Also you can store this in fridge. So that is how this eye patches can be used. So it's really easy and really short to follow. So make sure you check this DIY out and try it out at home. And that was all about today's video, and I hope you guys would have loved it.